Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. So I'm back with another interesting and informative video, and in this video we will explore the numerous health benefits of green tea. Green tea has been consumed for centuries and it's known for its rich antioxidant and potential positive effect on our well-being. Let's dive into some key benefits. Number 1 is weight management. Green tea is often associated with weight loss. It contains compounds that can boost metabolism and fat burning. Incorporating green tea into a balanced diet and active lifestyle may help with weight management goals. Number 2 is heart health. Studies suggest that drinking green tea can be beneficial for heart health. The antioxidant found in green tea may help lower cholesterol level and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Number 3 is improved brain function. The caffeine content in green tea, although lower than in coffee, can still provide a boost of energy and mental focus. Additionally, green tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has been shown to enhance brain function and increase relaxation. Number 4 is skin health. The antioxidant present in green tea can help protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. Some research suggests that applying green tea topically or consuming it can potentially reduce the sign of aging and improve overall skin health. Number 5 is anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed, some studies have indicated that the antioxidant and bioactive compound in green tea might have anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting the growth of certain type of cancer cells. Remember, green tea is not a magic potion and individual results may vary. It's always been best to consult with your doctor or your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. So how can you incorporate green tea into your routine? Replace sugary beverage with green tea. Enjoy a cup in the morning or during your work breaks, or try different flavors and blend to your favorite flavor. That's all for today's video on the health benefits of green tea. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information useful, and subscribe to our channel for more health related content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.